Hello, and welcome to Early Music Studio's Music Box series, where we look at some of the wonderful gifts which composers of the past have left to us. Let's see what's in the music box. This is music by the great French composer François Couperin, and today we'll be looking at a piece called Les Tricoteuses, or The Knitters. I love to knit, and when I saw this piece, I knew I wanted to play it. Couperin captures the peaceful rhythm of knitting at the beginning. If I take this phrase and boil it down to its harmonic structure, we get these chords. And we can hear between the two of them, there's a note in common. This gives kind of a soft, peaceful change of harmony. We can hear that Couperin took that initial pattern of notes and did it on different chords. Now, the common note is the tonal center of the piece. It's the key we're in. So this produces a feeling of calmness and activity at the same time, much like knitting. The end of this phrase has a scale in thirds, and it's a perfect opportunity for the French Baroque practice of adding a little swing to the rhythm. So rather than playing strictly, just nudge it a little bit onto the beat. Going on, there are several quick key changes which end up in a repetition of the initial theme. This is a good spot to use two manuals. The whole piece is structured like this, with fairly long sections of peaceful knitting, punctuated by more exciting sections. Near the end of the piece, we hear the first theme an octave higher. At this point, Couperin writes over top of the music, mailles lâchées, or loose stitches. That's not a good situation in knitting. Those stitches could fall off the needle. And he outlines the drama of this situation by using a diminished chord. Oh no, it's getting worse. But everything turned out all right in the end. To hear the whole piece, please click on the link in the remarks below. It's wonderful to hear these little gems from the past. And as we listen to many pieces by Couperin, we can form a picture of what life might have been like for people then. Although we're far away from that time now, we can find things that we have in common with the people then. We still like to knit, for example. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe. I hope you'll join me next time. Bye for now.